Hello everyone, I hope we're all having a great day today. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you 7 of the best monthly paying dividend stocks. So before we get into it, please leave a like and subscribe as it's free and it keeps me motivated to continue making daily content like this. So thank you very much in advance and let's get into the video. So the first stock we're going to be going over is a Realty Income Corporation common stock, or ticker symbol O. You've probably heard of this one as it's dubbed the greatest monthly paying dividend stock by a lot of people. So the share price right now is $63.48. You can always see the share price here as I'm showing you. You can always see the share price on the top left over here. And the monthly dividend you'll be receiving is about 26 cents, and the dividend yield is 4.92% for an annual dividend of 3.162 cents, or $3.16. So Realty Income, since its inception in 1994, they've gone up 658%. So this is obviously one of the very best monthly paying dividend stocks, as it's also seen a great return in capital gains. Now, Realty Income, they have declared 652 consecutive monthly dividends and are a member of the S&P 500 Dividend Aristocrats Index, having increased their dividend for the last 30 consecutive years. So Realty Income, a very great option if you're looking for a monthly paying dividend stock that also increases its dividends and increases its share price. So the next one, SL Green Realty Corp common stock, or ticker symbol SLG. Their dividend yield is 3.97%. Their annual dividend is $3. Share price is sitting at $78. Their monthly dividend is going to be about 25 cents, as we see here, 25 cents monthly. And SLG, if we look at their chart, since their inception in 1997, they're up 192%. So this one's not bad for capital gains as well as monthly dividends. However, if you were to buy at a peak and it drops a lot, you might be down for a while. And so the capital gains are not guaranteed on this, as they're not guaranteed with any stock. So next we have Stag Industrial Inc. common stock, or STAG, ticker symbol STAG. Their stock price is sitting at $38.21. Their dividend yield is 3.89% for an annual dividend of 1.48, about $1.48. And their monthly dividend is going to be about 12 cents. So STAG, since their inception in 2011, they're up 200%. So this one has potential for capital gains as well. But like I said, you never know what's going to happen. Next, we have AGNC, ticker symbol AGNC Investment Corp. Their share price is $9.95, and their dividend yield is a whopping 14.49%. But as we'll see in a moment, it comes at the price of their stock price. So the annual dividend is $1.44, or a monthly dividend of 12 cents. Their stock price since 2008 is down 50%. And so that's the drawback of having a very high dividend. A lot of times the stock doesn't perform as well in terms of capital gains or appreciation. Next, we have Apple Hospitality REIT, REIT Inc. common shares, a ticker symbol APLE. They're sitting at $14.93 for their share price, and their dividend yield is a great 6.54%. Their annual dividend is 96 cents, or a monthly dividend of 8 cents. So this is a good high dividend yield. But let's take a look at their chart. Since their inception in 2015, they're down about 18%. So that's just like I said, a higher dividend yield sometimes comes at the cost of the share price of the stock. So now let's take a look at the next one, EPR Properties Common Stock, ticker symbol EPR. Their dividend history, their dividend yield is a whopping 7%, or an annual dividend of $3.42, and their share price is $47.40. You'll be expecting a monthly dividend of 28.5 cents. So when we go to their chart here, since 1997, they're up 140%. So a little bit better than the last two, even though it has a 7% yield. It's actually gone up since 1997. It's gone up a bit, but like I said, if you bought at one of these peaks here, you'll be down, and who knows when it'll recover from that. So next one, last one we have here, Agree Realty Corporation Common Stock, or ticker symbol ADC. Their share price is $73.49, and the monthly dividend you can expect is 25 cents, or a dividend yield of 3.91%, or an annual dividend of $3. So a lower dividend yield compared to the last two, but let's take a look at their chart. Since their inception in 1994, they're up 284%. They're actually close to their all-time highs right now, sitting at $75. So this is another great option. So those are 7 of the best monthly dividend stocks you could invest in. So if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe, as it's free and it keeps me motivated to keep making daily content. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.